The 152mm gun-howitzer D-20 emerged from the Soviet Union in the 1950s. It was a response to the lessons of World War II. The D-20 was designed to fulfill the need for mobile and powerful artillery. It became a key component of Soviet artillery doctrine during the Cold War. The D-20 was a towed artillery piece designed to be rugged and reliable. It could withstand harsh conditions, making it suitable for various terrains and climates. Produced in large numbers, it was widely exported to Soviet allies. The D-20 quickly gained a reputation for its effectiveness and reliability. It remains in service in many countries, even today in Ukraine, a testament to its robust design. It stands as a symbol of Soviet artillery prowess. The D-20's key strength lay in its versatility. It possessed the characteristics of both a gun and a howitzer. This allowed it to engage a wide array of targets with great effectiveness. As a gun, it fired high-velocity projectiles with a flat trajectory, ideal for enemy armor. Its powerful rounds could penetrate substantial armor and concrete. As a howitzer, it fired at high angles for indirect fire. This allowed it to strike targets hidden behind cover. The howitzer mode was effective for heavy bombardment. Switching modes gave it unmatched battlefield flexibility. This made the D-20 a highly valued asset in any engagement. The D-20's capabilities stemmed from its robust design and powerful ammunition. Key specifications: caliber 152.4mm, barrel length 48 calibers, weight in combat 5,760 kilograms, elevation -5 degrees to +45 degrees, traverse 58 degrees, rate of fire 4 to 5 rounds per minute, muzzle velocity 850 meters per second, maximum range 17,410 meters, ammunition, high explosive fragmentation, high explosive anti-tank, smoke, illumination and chemical. Crew, 8 men. The D-20 was typically towed by a heavy artillery tractor, such as the ATT tracked vehicle. This provided the necessary off-road mobility. However, its weight limited its strategic mobility. These specifications combined to make the D-20 a formidable artillery piece. A history of service, from the Cold War to modern conflicts. The D-20 entered service with the Soviet Army in the mid-1950s and became a key component of its artillery forces. It was widely exported, arming Warsaw Pact allies and other Soviet-friendly nations. During the Cold War, the D-20 was a major concern for NATO forces due to its range and firepower. The D-20 saw extensive use in numerous conflicts around the world, including the Vietnam War and Arab-Israeli wars. It was deployed extensively in Afghanistan during the Soviet-Afghan War. The D-20 was used in the Yugoslav wars and the ongoing Syrian civil war. Legacy and modernization. The D-20's enduring impact. The D-20 has set a standard for towed artillery pieces. Its firepower, range and versatility are unmatched. Though older, it remains in service due to its ruggedness. Modernization programs have extended its service life. The D-20 is a testament to Soviet artillery design. Its legacy influences modern artillery systems. It symbolizes Soviet engineering prowess. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We do appreciate you watching.